Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel on building strong, meaningful relationships. Relationships, whether romantic, platonic, or familial, are like gardens. They need care, attention, and the right elements to thrive. That's why today we're introducing a fascinating concept, the A to Z of relationships. Each letter of the alphabet represents a key term or quality that plays a vital role in maintaining healthy and fulfilling connections. These terms aren't just words, they're building blocks that help relationships flourish. Let me give you a quick overview before we dive deeper into each one in our upcoming videos. A is for acceptance, embracing each other's imperfections. B is for balance, finding harmony in give and take. C is for clarity, open and honest communication. D is for dependability, being there when it matters. E is for equality, treating each other with respect and fairness. F is for faith, trusting in the relationship's potential. G is for gratitude, appreciating the little things. H is for help, supporting each other in times of need. I is for insights, understanding each other's feelings and perspectives. J is for justice, being fair and resolving conflicts constructively. K is for knowledge, continuously learning about each other. L is for listening, truly hearing what the other person says. M is for mindfulness, being present and aware in the relationship. N is for nurturing, encouraging growth and happiness in one another. O is for openness, sharing thoughts, dreams, and fears. P is for patience, giving the relationship time to grow. Q is for quiet, embracing moments of peace and reflection together. R is for relate, connecting deeply through shared experiences. S is for solutions, working together to solve problems. T is for trust, the foundation of any strong bond. U is for unconditional loving without conditions. V is for validation, acknowledging and affirming each other's feelings. W is for wall, breaking down emotional barriers to connect. X is for X factor, the unique qualities that make your relationship special. Y is for yes, the power of agreement and consent. Z is for zoning out, respecting personal space and downtime. Each of these terms has its own significance, and together they form the essence of a healthy relationship. Over the next series of videos, we'll explore each of these terms in detail, what they mean, how they impact relationships, and practical tips to incorporate them into your life. So, if you're ready to deepen your understanding of relationships and build stronger connections, hit that subscribe button and join us on this A to Z journey. See you in the next video, where we'll dive into acceptance. Remember, relationships thrive when we nurture them one step at a time.